Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the thumbnail, we have a lot to unpack back here. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the thumbnail, we have a lot to unpack back here, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We make this type of content, beauty, hauls, self-love, positivity, every single week here for you guys. Our channel's on the road to 10K, and when we get there, you get a giveaway. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as you don't miss out. And with that, guys, let's hop in to the video. I'm gonna show you what I got from Sephora first because it's a small bag and I figured you guys would want to see it. It's not a whole bunch, but you know what? I just wanted a little treat for myself. We are coming up on the holidays, so I didn't want to obviously like ball out when the holidays are like right here. So the first thing I got is a miniature milk hydro grip primer. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. I switch up my makeup primers a lot. This is one of my favorites though, so I just buy the little one. Cost wise, I honestly think it's more cost effective to get the bigger one. That's like $30. But the shelf life on this is only a year, so I don't buy the big one because I switch my primers up so much. I'm always trying out a different makeup primer, so I don't really want to have something that's going to expire. My skin is so sensitive and I have used expired makeup before and had awful reactions, so I don't want to do that again, so I'm just picking up a little one. Do love that primer though. Next thing I picked up is a new blush, and it's from NARS. It's called Dominate, and I've been really into this like pinky pop-in blush, so I picked this guy up. Ooh. Here she is, and I just think she's so pretty. She's got a nice glow to her. Love NARS's packaging. She's gonna be a gorgeous little peachy plummy pink for me to use, you know? And the last thing I got, which I've never owned anything from Miss Huda, and I really wanted to try this palette. I don't know, it was calling my name. It is her Purple Haze palette, and ooh, y'all, like, I don't know about you, but purples call my name around the holidays. They're so beautiful, and I don't even think my camera's really giving this palette. There you go. Like, look how pretty she is. The shine. Oh, I know that Huda has really good eyeshadows. I've seen so many people review it, love it. I just personally have never picked anything up. This guy was on sale for only $25, so I was like, oh, heck yes, let me give it a try. And I'm so excited to try this. Like, it looks gorgeous. If you guys have tried Huda's eyeshadows before and you have recommendations for me, let me know down in the comments below. You guys know I love to make you chit chat, get ready with me. And I'm just kind of tired of using the same makeup, so I wanted to like refresh my makeup collection, change up how I do my makeup so that in those videos we're getting like more than just the typical chit chat, get ready with me kind of video. Next, we're gonna show Target because I only got a couple items, which is shocking for me, honestly, going into Target, but I really only got a few things. I picked up this Maybelline Fit Me in Deep, just this simple one. It's the loose powder, nothing insane. And then I picked up two of these e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers. I use Deep Olive. Yeah, they're gorgeous, to be honest with you. They're just really pretty. Picked up this NYX HD eyeshadow primer. I don't know, I just wanted to try it, so I picked up these guys, and I really, really love them. This concealer is fantastic. I haven't tried this primer before, but I kind of want to step back into eyeshadow primers. There's been a long time where I'm just using concealer as my eyeshadow base, but lately my eyelids have been getting a little bit oilier because of my new eye cream, and I'm not complaining because my under eyes look amazing, but I think it's time to incorporate an eyeshadow primer back in. And I just wanted to try this one because I saw it and I'd never seen it before. Next, we're getting into Ulta because baby, I didn't come to play in that store. No, she did not. The first thing, because I opened it because I was impatient. I bought the Morphe Arch Obsessions box. And in this box, you get a micro brow pencil, brow cream, brow setting gel, a highlighter stick, and an angle slash spoolie brush. And this was $18. Okay, I don't know, but you get the little mousse, a pencil, a brush, the brow gel, and the highlight. I don't know, if you guys have tried Morphe's brow products, let me know down below. I have not, but you know. Ooh, okay, probably not gonna be able to use that highlight. I mean, she's looking white to you guys. Let me get a little swatch of the pencil. Let me just, she comes with a spoolie. Oh, she's, okay, I can definitely use the pencil. Definitely gonna be able to use the pencil. That highlight though is it's a no for me. Maybe I'll start using it as eyeshadow base, God knows. Use your products for everything they can be used for, guys. I picked up 2 products from The Ordinary, which you guys are going to be seeing in my updated skincare routine. But what I picked up is the lactic acid 10% and the ascorbyl glucoside solution 12%.
What did you say?
It's these two. Little hard to see because they're in all white, but... And yeah, I'll give you more details in my updated skincare routine video. So if you're excited to see that, give this video a thumbs up and I will spill all of the tea in that video. But these are staples of mine. I love them from The Ordinary. They work fantastically for me. So, you know, this one's on sale. So if you were going to go to Ulta, you need to grab these. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Eyewear Blackest Black Waterproof. Girl, this is the one. Is she the killer? She's a savage. She comes for everybody's neck. You know whose neck she really came for? The Better Than Sex mascara. I will always say that it is a dupe for that mascara. Like, she came for the game, and to be honest, I do love the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Like, that is my #1 favorite mascara on earth. But this is my #2, and I got 2 of these for $14. So, you know, I could stick with my little #2 because she be popping. My lashes always look amazing with or without false lashes. She comes every time she comes through, no questions asked. Well, I got some more Duo Lash Glue. I mean, y'all know what she looked like. I use the black one and I use it in the squeezy tube. It's just easier and I can get through more. I also picked up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector Multi-Usage Camouflaging Concealer. It's got such a long name, but I picked this guy up. If you're curious, I wear the shade Tan, and I haven't used this for years, but not even years, I'll say like a year and a half maybe, but I just bounce back and forth with her. Sometimes she's my ride or die. I like love this concealer so much. It's a cult classic, and other times I'm just like bored of her. So right now I was really into her, so I picked her up. I also picked up more from Morphe. I picked up the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I mean, I just like her. I like the continuous mist. If you guys have other setting sprays that you love that are a continuous mist, let me know. Like, I love to just myself for a while. You know, I just a little, girl's like 8 p.m., but I'm still going. Yes, like just yes. And then I also picked up the Bake and Set Powder in Rich Banana. I don't know, she trying to bake or whatever. So I picked up Rich Banana. Here's Rich Banana. Looks like this. I think it's gonna look pretty, so I figured why not. This is the last of it from Ulta. So I picked up the Morphe C4.25 Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. Looks like this. It looked really pretty and I just wanted to give it a shot. So yeah, I don't know. I'll let you guys know my thoughts in a video, but I do think it'll be poppin'. I picked up the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge because this sponge, I'm sorry, e.l.f. really came for Beauty Blender's neck when they popped up with these sponges. They're hydrating camo concealer sponge. Jackie Aina put me onto that. She said it was amazing. She loved that concealer. So obviously I went out and bought it. Love that concealer. Love that sponge. She said this one's just as good. So, you know, I had to pick it up because Queen Jackie said so. And girl, it's only $5. Now my Beauty Blender is $20 every time I need to replace it. And let me be honest, I have to replace it kind of often because I have a puppy. and 2 other dogs, and I lose things, and sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to wash it. So, you know, I have to replace it a little bit more often than I would like to admit. So, $5, you know, I'm gonna have to try her. Next, I picked up 2 foundations that I actually wear all the time at this point. It's either, like today I have on the NYX Born to Glow. This is another one that was on sale, guys. So, yeah. There we go. So I wear the Born to Glow in Mocha. And then I also picked this guy up, the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I picked it up in Deep Sable, but I also ordered one on Amazon in Mocha just in case. And then the last thing I was really excited to try is this guy. I picked up the Makeup Revolution foundation. What is this called? Fast Base Stick Foundation in F18. I'm thinking of getting into the cream contour game. Wowza, she's pretty. Okay, let me see. Oh, we can def contour with her. Wow, pretty. That's gonna be a super pretty contour for me. Okay, I'm gonna go in the little bag first. Oh! Okay, so here's my Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in Mocha. I love this shade. I've been using this like all of 2020 just about, and I thought Deep Sable might be my winter color, but then I don't know because I've been using this all year. So I just picked up Mocha, and yeah, just in case. I have both. But this, y'all, okay, I don't know. I don't know. I think they're gonna be cute, like today. Oh my God, what is that? Okay, so I'm gonna have to dye in black or whatever. Oh my God, what is that? But like, okay, minus the braids. Sorry, it's a viewfinder day. I'm so sorry. Like, I feel like the ghetto. With my wig, like, down to me booty, like, I could pull this off. You know what I'm saying? Like,
No, 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 no.
I don't know. I feel like I could pop off with these.
That is not correct.
All right, next, time for the box. My lashes, yes! Guys, these are the best freaking lashes. Like, oh my God, mama. If you ever wanna know what pair of lashes I have on, it's this set. They're by DY Silk. They're gorgeous, and I get the 004. So 004s. I'll link them in the description box down below. They are literally so poppin'. Like, I love these lashes so stinking much. They're fabulous. They're gorgeous lashes. Okay, remember how I said it was wig season? Okay, so y'all aren't even ready. She done got her ahead. I got me a friend. I got me a friend. Here she is. She cute or whatever. They got her wrapped up. I don't know what her name's gonna be. So you guys name her in the comments down below. I think we should name her something cute like Barbara or Suzanne. Maybe Marge. I don't know, Marge. I'm kind of down for Marge. I don't know. But let me know what to name her. She got a big old head, but we gon', I think she, who am I to talk? Like, I feel like this is the same size as my head, but I don't know. Here's my wig head for wig season. And she came in a kit. So what you get with this kit is you get a band cap to help you like size it. You get thread. And you get the little stand and the clip to like stand it on so you can clip it on the side of a table. So if you guys are new to the wig game, this is a really good kit to get from Amazon. I think it was only 25 bucks. And all of your wig needs are met at that point. Next box. Yes, okay. So, again for wig season and nostalgia too, honestly. I got this Andy's plug-in hot comb. I'll give you a full tutorial of my return to the wig game. Don't you worry. I will give you a full tutorial on how I slay that wig. From dyeing it to laying it to slaying it, all that fun stuff. I'll give you a full tutorial. But yes, here she is. I got me a plug-in hot comb. and I'm so excited to try this. The next thing I got is this She Is Bomb Collection Hair Wax Stick. Again, this goes right along with wig season. Everyone is slaying their wigs with wax now, and I really want to give it a try. I also got this really cute hoodie. I don't know, I just thought she was cute. It's this little, it's big, well, not little, it's oversized. It's a Hanes men's crew neck. It's that baby blue that I have been loving on. If you love the baby blue on my channel too, then make sure you comment me a blue emoji in the comments below, and I will show you some extra special love. And lastly, I got the queen. I re-upped on the queen. I told y'all in my last video, if you haven't seen my current beauty favorites, I will link it up above and down for you, down below for you. But like I mentioned, I love this Curel Hydra Itch Defense in shower moisturizer. Like, ooh. So you know I had to double up on her. She's my favorite, and it was only like 10 bucks when I got on Amazon. So keep your eyes peeled for this product. It's amazing. Really has helped my skin like leaps and bounds, and it's always out of stock at my local Targets. So yeah, I just always get it on Amazon. But babes, that is the end of our video. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing all of the things that I hauled in this video. I know you guys love hauls, and if you do love hauls, please give this video a thumbs up so I will know to make you more of them. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Guys, we are getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, and when we get there, you're getting a giveaway. Comment down below what you want that giveaway to be. Do you want it to be like a beauty favorites? Do you want it to be like maybe hair extensions? Do you want it to be like positivity, self-love books? Like whatever you guys want, I am more than happy to make you that video and do it as your giveaway prize. So let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JamieYvonne__ so you can hang out with me every day. Drop your Instagrams down below and we can follow each other and be friends. And with that, guys, if you made it all the way to the end, drop me a blue emoji in the comments down below, because you know I love you the most. Those of you who stick around, you the real ones. You got my heart. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.